Hello, Mr. Clark, it's Raymond Fu. Today I'll be explaining Quiz 6, Question 2. The first thing I did was import randint from the random module. Then I had to define my helper function, which rolls two dice. So this is a function, and then inside the function I have rolled dice equals to an empty list. Then for I in range 2, so it rolls 2 dice, and then roll equals to random int. So it picks roll equals to a random number between 1 and 6, and then it adds that number to the empty list up here, and it repeats it 2 times because it is for I in range 2, and then it returns rolled dice, which is the list with the 2 number it rolled. Next I have the function roll 2 dice until sum is prime. I have my stop list equals to these numbers, which is all prime numbers, and we want this function to stop when the sum of the 2 number you rolled is a prime number. And then I have sum equals to sum of the 2 dice, so it rolls 2 dice and then it adds them together. This step is optional, but I did it anyways. And then I had rolled dice equals to empty list. And then while sum is not in stop list, it will roll the dice, and then it'll add the list. It'll add the sum. It will add the sum into the rolled dice list, and then that's it. And then this right here adds the actual prime number because I put it while sum not in sum list, so it should not add the prime. So you have to add it outside of the while loop, so it adds the last number, which is the prime. And then if I click run, we can see that it works. It is up here, and it only took 1 time until it's prime. And I can try it again. And then 7. If I try it one last time, we see that it took 9 times until it was prime, and that's it.